Happy Monday, my friends, and welcome back to another work from home job lead. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. But this job lead is for those of you who don't have very much experience in customer service or any field, but would like to get into the work from home job field. How do you get started? This is one of the ways. The big pharmacy and retailer CVS Health is hiring a customer service representative to work from home. They are paying well, they are offering bonuses, and they don't require very much to no experience at all. So let's just dive on in. They are specifically looking for candidates in the Pacific Standard Time Zone, Central Standard Time Zone, or Mountain Standard Time Zone who work from home doing customer service. Now, this includes $3,000 worth of sign-on bonuses. You get the first $1,000 when you start, and if you stay at least 180 days, which is 6 months, you get the other $2,000 at the 6-month mark. So to get all $3,000, you have to work there at least 6 months. Now it says the sign-on bonus is not applicable to current CVS employees, but what they are looking for is customer service reps to specifically help with Medicare retiree solution customer service. Their goal is to provide compassionate, innovative, and proactive customer service to their Medicare members. So they want someone who can use skills and expertise to motivate positive change and collaboration. So in your job role, you will educate plan members with the benefits, answer any questions they have, and resolve issues based on incoming telephone member contacts. You'll utilize compliant documentation standards. You'll provide empathetic and member-centered service. You'll try to exceed the members' expectations and ensure that each member is shown respect and kindness throughout any questions that they're asked. Now, for this role, they are paying anywhere from $17 an hour all the way up to $27 an hour for a customer service role that requires very little to no experience. That is great pay. Now, it does say keep in mind the pay range represents for all positions in this current customer service pay grade. So the pay that you get offered is based on your experience and location. So if you're coming to this with no experience, do note that you'll probably get offered the lower pay range. Now, as far as required qualifications, they require someone who can demonstrate the ability to be empathetic and compassionate to people, someone who can be patient and be adaptable, and someone who has basic computer skills, can type and use the telephone. That is all they are requiring as far as requirements. Now, as far as preferred qualifications, it does say they prefer someone who has previous customer service experience, but it is not required. So there again, no previous customer service experience is required. They do require a high school diploma, GED, or equivalent experience. So you don't even have to have a degree if you have experience. Now, please note with this position, they are going to require you to have the COVID-19 vaccine. That may play into your decision of whether to apply or not. And I get it, it is a work from home position, but a lot of healthcare companies are requiring it regardless of whether you are working from home or working in the office. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. And I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.